Hey guys, what is up? It is OptiNation Review. I know my voice sounds weird, but let me get to that. So, around the time I came home from TFCon, um, I started feeling sick. And I started losing my voice. But I'm getting it back. It sounds much better than it used to sound last week. Oh my goodness, wow. But yeah. So I've been battling this illness, whatever it is. It's not COVID. I got tested for almost everything under the sun. And it's not COVID. It's not the flu. It's not even RSV. So yeah, it's just really, really, really bad cold. Anyway, so that's why I haven't been doing any TFCon unboxing videos. It's because I've been trying to get better. But hopefully by this next weekend I will be much better, and I'll be able to do some more videos for you guys. But I just wanted to update you guys on why I haven't been posting lately. But like I said in the last post, I do have access to the community tab finally, so I will update you guys on the community tab as things progress. Hopefully for the better. Anyway, guys, this was an update from OptiNation Review. Remember to all our OptiNation.